Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT chatbot on Android and iPhone. Okay, so if you are like me, you searched on App Store for ChatGPT, but you didn't find anything. I just want to let you know that there is no app for this, but you can use your browser and it looks like it works amazing. Like there is no problem with this. All you have to do, guys, is you want to open your browser. It could be Safari or Google Chrome. Now you want to search for OpenAI.com. I am going to add the name in the screen, OpenAI.com, and it will take you to this page. What you want to do, guys, you want to click on Try Chat GPT. After that, you want to click on Sign In, Sign Up. As you can see, Sign Up. After that, guys, if you can enter here your email, you have to enter your email here, or you can just continue with Google. If you have like a Gmail account on your browser here, if you already used your Gmail, you want to just click on continue with Google, and then click the Gmail that you want to use. And they will ask you for your phone number. You have to enter it. I already entered it. That's why they didn't ask me. So you have to enter your phone number, and then they will send you a verification code to your number, and then get that verification code and go back to the website and type that verification code, and they will take you directly to this page. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click here and then ask whatever you want. What makes girls happy? You can ask anything. Wow, this is very smart, guys. It's important to note that every person is unique and has their own individual needs and desires. So what makes one person happy may not necessarily make another person happy. That being said, there are some general things that can contribute to the person's happiness, including feeling loved, valued, and appreciated, having meaningful relationship. This is very, so I didn't expect this to be this smart, honestly. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.